Hi, I'm Marna, and this is our new puppy. Well, she's not real new. We've had her since the Saturday before Thanksgiving. And this is Katy. She is a Yorkshire Terrier puppy. And she rides in my basket on the bicycle and does a whole bunch of other things. So this is Katy. Why would anybody put her up on the counter? Believe it or not, this morning she had her hair brushed. Terrier. Okay, Katy, sit. No, sit. So Katy's learning a few things, and I got to give the other one over here because she's sitting for me too, our German Shepherd dog, Tiana. So Katy's going to have a little video, but we'll have some pictures at the end that you can see her. Where have I been as far as making videos? Housebreaking is way more than just taking her out to go potty several times a day, which takes a lot of time. It's also picking up after her, making sure she has toys and not chewing on things. Okay, in a minute, I'm going to show you Katy playing piano. She's had like 5 lessons, and I think she is cute, cute, cute. Katy, Katy, play piano. Play piano. Play piano. Play the piano. That was the worst you've ever done. Katy, play piano. No. Good.